The Palm Jumeirah is an archipelago of artificial islands on the Persian Gulf in Jumeirah, Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is part of a larger series of developments called the Palm Islands, including Palm Jebel Ali and the Dubai Islands, which, when completed, will together increase Dubai's shoreline by a total of 520 kilometers. It has a population of over 25,000 as of 2022. The islands were created using land reclamation. As the name implies, they were created to resemble a palm tree and are roughly divided into three areas: trunk, fronds, and outer crescent. The trunk is a mixed commercial and residential area. The fronds are reserved for residential homes and villas, while the outer crescent is used for luxury and upscale resorts. The Palm Jumeirah construction was done by a Dutch specialist dredging company, Van Oord. The same company also created the world. Construction of the Palm Jumeirah Dubai Island began in June 2001 and the developers announced handover of the first residential units in 2006. In October 2007, 75% of the properties were ready to hand over, with 500 families already residing on the island. By the end of 2009, 28 hotels were opened on the crescent. In 2009, the New York Times reported that NASA's laser altimeter satellites had measured the palm as sinking at the rate of 5 millimeters per year. In response, the developer, Nakheel Properties, said they had received no reports of structural problems of a type that would be expected if there were any subsidence, and pointed out that the laser satellites had a measurement resolution of only 50 millimeters. The Palm Jumeirah monorail is a 5.4-kilometer long monorail connecting the Atlantis Hotel to the Gateway Towers at the foot of the island. The monorail connects the Palm Jumeirah Dubai to the mainland, with a planned further extension to the Red Line of the Dubai Metro. The line began operating on 30th April 2009. It is the first monorail in the Middle East. According to a study published in the journal Water in 2022, the construction of this island has had an effect on increasing water-soluble materials, changing the spectral profile of water and also increasing the temperature of the water surface around the island. 16. The outer breakwater was designed as a continuous barrier, but by preventing natural tidal movement, the seawater within the palm became stagnant. The breakwater was subsequently modified to create gaps on either side, allowing tidal movement to oxygenate the water within and prevent it from stagnating, albeit less efficiently than would be the case if the breakwater did not exist. In the summer seasons, jellyfish frequent the beaches surrounding the palm. 19. In early 2020, due to the reduction of human activity during the COVID-19 pandemic, an increase in wildlife, such as dolphins, around the Palm Jumeirah was observed. After launching the project, it was revealed that the developer increased the number of residential units on the island, with a concomitant reduction in the amount of physical space between individual properties, from the originally announced 4,500, comprising 2,000 villas purchased early in the expectation of greater separation between properties. This increase was attributed to the developer miscalculating the actual cost of construction and requiring the raising of additional capital, although they had never commented publicly on the matter. The New York Times reported in 2009 that many people had bought houses before they were built and are furious about the space available now and the way they seem to be living on top of each other.